Good morning friends. Today's topic is about MX Excel. MX Excel is a software that is a part of Microsoft Office, and we can say MS Excel is an electronic worksheet or a spreadsheet. It has a number of columns and rows. MX Excel is widely used by everyone. MX Excel has a number of tools and functions that has a calculation and analyzing data using formulas and tables. In MS Excel, we can display data in a number of formats and also create graphs and charts based on data. Now see, this is the Excel sheet. There are number of tabs are there. First one is File tab, then Home tab, Insert tab, Page Layout tab, Formulas tab, Data tabs, Review tab, View tab, and Help tab. Now it is a Home tab is open, and every tab carrying a different tools, and every tools are category in different groups. Now you can see in Home tab is open and it has a different groups. First group is clipboard group, font group, alignment group, number group, style group, sales group, and editing groups. This is the Insert tab. Insert tab having the different groups are there. First one is tables group, add-in group, charts group, tools group, spark lines group, filters group, links group, and comments group. Next tab is page layout tab. Now see, there is different groups are there. The names are themes group, page setup group, scale to fit group, sheet options group, and last one is arrange group. Next one is our formulas tab. It have only 4 groups are there. First one is function library, second one define names, formula auditing, and last one calculation. Next tab name is data tab. Data tab having the different groups names are get and transform data, queries and connections, sort and filter. Next data tools, forecast and outline. Name is review tab. Having first one is proofing group, accessibility group, insights group, language group, change group, comments group, notes group, protect group, and last one is link group. Now next tab name is view tab. It having the first group name is sheet view groups, workbook views group, show group, zoom group, window group, and macros group. Now next one is your picture format tab. Picture format tab is appear when you insert any picture into Excel sheet. Now I insert a Excel sheet in Excel page. Now you can see first group name is adjust group, second one is picture style group, third one is accessibility group, fourth one is arrange group, and last one is size group. I hope you will understand about the tab and their groups. Thank you.